you go.
Hi, my name is Jonathan and welcome to Healthy Cooking, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a, what is it called?
Hash brown?
A hash brown. First, you get one egg, one precise egg, and then you go like that, and then you gently, and then yolk it. Okay. No, stop, actually. Stop, Mom.
It's okay. We'll edit it later.
Okay.
Good job. No, you gotta get all of it. See how this...
There.
Yeah.
And then, let me put
that
this in the tray. And then, second, we get 1 spoon.
Salt and pepper also.
There we go.
That's fine. You can mix it.
Okay. And you mix all of this up.